Yeah.
I knew I would stick with these.
Yeah.
Maybe I should try those. I felt pretty good on that.
Yeah. I like it. Nice.
Good shot.
Playing the cut. Playing the cut.
Nice shot.
Woo!
Man, I can't wait to come watch you on tour.
We have like a crappy view on at work, but I don't even do that. I just train them. I lifted it that time. Did you see that?
Oh, that was good.
It worked out better.
Yeah. Nice.
Worked out better. Does it?
Yeah, I saw sparks.
Did you?
The sparks.
Yeah. I finished like Riley.
Oh, I should have done this. But yeah, they had a big problem.
Huh.
Dun 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 dun.